Bad Bitch Bible. Bad Bitch Bible.
Hi, Miss Pao.
Hi,
How are
Kush.
you?
I'm doing well. And
Tama.
grabe, sobrang honored. Wow, na-invite mo ako dito.
No, thank you so much for being on the Bad Bitch Bible. I want to clarify, obviously, everyone calls you Miss Pao. So, you identify as a she-her.
Yeah.
Straight ka.
Oo, straight.
And sure ka na doon. Siyempre, may anak ka na.
Nung
so,
una actually, nung wala pa akong partner like si Darren,
Oo.
hindi sure pala may ganon, hindi niya rin to
Oo.
alam. Pero, ayun. Yeah, straight naman ngayon. Final na.
Final na.
Oo.
Final answer. Wait, how old are you na ba?
26.
Oh my God, we're the same age?
Totoo?
Yeah.
Akala ko mas, bata ka sa akin. Like 23, ganun. Hindi ba?
No, I'm 26
Oh, oh my
also. I
God.
just like
Okay.
kasi feeling ko, the way I act or the way I dress, parang
Oo.
very bagets. Or
Ay,
'cause
oo
I
nga.
party a lot. Maybe
Oo.
that's why.
Siguro nga. Akala ko talaga nasa ganung ka lang, age, 23, ganun, 24.
Nakakaloka because you know yung age na in your 20s, some of the girls that are still partying, some have like a kid na, some have businesses. Parang it's so crazy being in our 20s na iba-iba talaga yung nangyayari.
Totoo,
in life.
yeah. Even me, like, nung nanganak, parang
Oo.
feeling ko teenage pregnancy pa din. Pero nasa legal age na pala.
No, I really didn't know. I was like, I don't know if she's like my age or she's older. Kasi,
Talaga?
Kasi you have so many businesses na, tapos you have a baby. Are you married?
Not yet.
Okay.
Oo.
Are you engaged?
Yeah,
Or-
engaged.
Okay, yun. That's why I remember
This year
seeing
lang
something.
din. Oo.
Okay. How long na kayo?
2021, 22, 23, 24, 3 years and magpo-4 sa February. Next
my
year,
gosh.
2025.
Ang sweet.
Pero ayun, nagka-baby kami last year, second year pa lang namin. Second year pa lang.
Were you
Nung
ready?
nabuntis ako.
Were you surprised?
Nung nalaman ko na
Oo.
pregnant. Oo. Yeah, of course, surprised. Pero, nung time kasi na yun na parang pag nabuo siya, pag nabuo siya, masaya kami. Pero pag hindi, okay lang din.
Mm-mm.
So, ayun. We're very happy na nabuo siya.
Yeah.
And may avior na kami.
What is of yours like meaning? Like the
Okay.
name?
Oo. Actually, Avior Lash.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
yung Avior came from Bervon.
Yeah.
Siya yung top-selling piece namin nung nagsisimula.
Okay.
Yung earrings na yon. So, bestseller namin siya, si Avior. Tapos, parang kulang talaga. Dapat Avior Belize talaga. So, ngayon ko lang ni-reveal na may ganong plans before na Avior Belize. Pero ayaw ni Darren. Gusto niya ng lash.
Kasi lashes kayo.
Yeah, kasi polish din. So, sabi ko, Avior Lash. Maganda naman din. So,
Yeah.
okay. Ginaw na namin yung name niya.
Of yours, such a nice, unique name. Sanay kasi ako sa Lottie Boo. Everyone says Lottie, diba, online?
Lottie. Yeah.
Paano naging Lottie from, of your Lash?
Yun yung niya, fetus nickname. Fetus nickname.
Yeah.
From my bestie, from my best friend. Kasi nung in-announce namin na yun nga, Preggy. So sabi niya, so ano ipapangalan natin dyan? Ganun. Tapos meron kaming piece din from Bervo na Philotimo.
Okay.
Yun naman yung parang kantsawan, kumbaga. Kasi
Yeah.
siya naman yung slow-selling piece namin, si Philotimo. Actually, phased out na siya ngayon.
Wala na siya.
Wala na siya. So, tapos, ayun, parang inside joke, Philotimo hanggang sa, what if Timo?
Okay.
Tapos hanggang naging Lottie. Tapos yun na, Lottie na. From
Cute.
there, oo.
How old is your baby now?
14 months.
Oh my gosh.
Nung November 1. Kasi September 1 siya.
She's walking na.
Yeah, oo. Grabe nga yung mga babies ngayon. Parang ibang breed na sila talaga. Oo, sobrang bilis nilang makapick up. Ang smart nila. Alam mo yun?
That's so wild na
Oo.
you're a full-time mompreneur. Mompreneur ka na.
Yes.
Entrepreneur, mother.
Actually,
And
ikaw
then-
ba kina-consider mo? Like,
I mean, I think so, yes. But then, wala pa ako sa phase na yun kasi feeling ko hindi pa ako rich enough. Gusto ko super yaman ko na before I have a kid.
okay.
Pero nagagawa mo naman sinasabay mo naman like career and this. For me, kasi feeling ko hindi ko kaya personally.
Okay, yeah.
But, diba, when you found out you were expecting, you were shocked, but at the same time, did you know na, okay, kaya ko to? Or were you
Oo.
nervous din?
Sa amin dalawa kasi ako talaga yung less nagko-consider na mag-baby. So before Darren, ayoko rin talaga mag-anak.
Really?
Yeah. And I think maraming ganun sa atin, no, na girls na means parang feeling mo ayaw mo mag-baby. Pero minsan parang sa partner mo rin talaga, depende rin, ganun. So, was I ready?
Oo.
Yun nga, Dahil kay Darren kasi, na nakita ko kasi siya kung paano mag-alaga, like sa mga dogs pa lang namin. So, dun ko na-feel na parang okay naman pala. It's not so bad. Alam mo yon. Kasi mafe-feel mo na hindi ka mag-iisa. Talagang may katuwang ka talaga. So, yun. Big factor siya dun sa decision making na yun.
And paano siya mag-alaga sa'yo eh. Yun eh. I feel like that made you feel safe and comfortable.
Yeah, aside from financial
Oo.
Syempre, isa din yun. Financially, di ba, isusupport mo. Pero, hindi lang din talaga yun eh. Like, ngayon, parang, hindi naman sa pag-aano, kaya naman na talaga namin financially isupport si Avior. Alam mo yun, bumuhay. Pero, hindi lang talaga yun kahit na may pambayad ka. Kapag
not
yung
enough.
partner mo, hindi siya emotionally and physically present. Alam mo yun, na nandyan para sa'yo. Ang hirap din talaga.
It's not enough to be a financial provider eh. Kailangan emotional provider.
Sa totoo lang. Yun din yung
physical.
na-realize ko na akala ko pag nag-anak ka, okay, afford ko naman eh. Pero hindi lang pala yun.
Yeah,
Kailangan talaga ng partner mo. Kaya sa mga single mom, talagang hanga ako sa kanila. Kasi hindi ko alam paano nila nagagawa yung ganun. Sobrang hirap.
I'm sure he's such an active father, active partner. Sometimes it really takes the right person to make you feel comfortable. Because I feel like,
Totoo.
nakita mo ba yun, yung mga masculine energy, feminine energy? Have you seen those TikToks na?
Yeah.
Parang if you don't have the right partner, you're in your masculine energy. So, you don't have someone taking care of you. Hindi mo na-envision. But now na you have someone more masculine, quote-unquote, than you, parang nabe-baby ka, naalaga ka. So then you can pass it on to someone.
Oo. Yeah, exactly. Feeling ko nga ngayon parang ang lampa-lampa ko na. Kasi alam mo yung parang, like, kasi parang inasa ko na talaga sa kanya lahat na kapag nandyan siya, pwede na akong mag-chill, ganun.
Safe.
Unlike before na talagang independent ka. So, ayun.
That's good though. Because we all deserve someone like that. How did you guys meet ba?
College classmates.
Oh, wow.
Oo.
College sweethearts. And then
Yeah.
naging kayo.
Oo, pero after na, kasi may kanya-kanya kaming jowa.
Ay.
Noon, oo. So, after graduation na, actually, hindi naman right after, mga ilang years pa din. Parang 2 years, ganun. Doon kami
Okay.
ulit.
Nag-link up.
Yeah.
Bongga. Ang bilis niyo though for me to have a baby because personally hindi ko ma-imagine na kami ng jowa ko.
Ngayon?
Like
Ilang ano na kayo?
2 years.
2 years na
Yeah,
yun?
2 years
oh my
na to,
gosh.
ang
Yan,
bilis.
nasubaybayan ko rin kasi from yung
Tibo
ex.
face,
Yeah.
ito naman.
Oo. 2 years na pala
Yeah.
yun? Oh my gosh. Pero nakikita mo naman yun. I mean, nafe-feel mo din yun.
Sa kanya, yes. He's super maalaga. He's super,
Diba?
anything I ask for, go.
Oo.
Even the small things, parang nahihiya na nga ako to ask sometimes. And he's like, go, tell me na lang. I'll do it.
Oo.
Parang nahihiya pa ako.
Okay.
But he's the one that actively shows me that I'm just not yet ready kasi feeling ko I haven't achieved what I want yet.
Okay. Pero yun lang ba? Like, self-fulfillment or, syempre, kapag babae, di ba, yung body talaga nag-change. So, may factor din bang ganun?
Well, I told him, if you make me pregnant, you have to pay for my mommy makeover. Alam mo yun?
Oh, yeah. Oh, totoo. Oh my gosh. Ang dami nag-aas sa akin na like, paano ka naka-bounce back agad?
Yeah.
Bakit ang payat mo na agad? Bakit na... For me talaga, malaking factor talaga yung yung partner mo rin.
Yeah.
Kasi kapag alam mo yun, hindi ka mentally stressed, yun emotionally, madali ka talagang mag-recover din. And kapag malakas yung support system mo. So, that's
Mag-glow
very
up ka
true.
ulit.
Oo, yun din.
A lot of women also go through what's that postpartum depression, diba?
Yeah, oo.
Did you ever go through that?
Actually, parang ine-emote ko na lang before. Kasi,
Ine-emote mo na lang?
parang, bakit hindi ko nararanasan?
Talaga?
Oo, parang wala. Pero siguro it's more of, exhaustion and not postpartum depression. Kasi parang severe na yun kapag yung pagod, like physically and mentally. Kasi, syempre, ang daming masakit sa akin right after giving birth, kahit after ilang weeks na. Kasi natural nag-water birth ako noon.
Oh my God, really? Wow.
Yeah, nag-water birth ako.
No medicine or
Wala,
like,
unmedicated.
no epidural?
Wala at all.
Oh my God ka.
Yeah,
You're so
exactly.
crazy. I can't. You're so crazy. She did a water birth, no epidural. That's so insane to me. IUD pa lang nung pinapasok sa akin, feeling ko
IUD?
mamamatay na
Oh my
ako.
gosh, okay.
Wow. Wow. Okay, respect. Anyway, you were saying.
Yeah, kaya nga etong parang nagpa-plan kami na magbe-baby pa ba tayo, ganun. Kasi syempre may anak na kayo, so parang hindi naman okay na wala siyang kapatid, parang ganun. So ano ba, mag-second baby? Mas natatakot ako ngayon second time kasi alam ko na yung sakit Kasi nga yung nung first time, water birth, tas unmedicated talaga. So, ayun nga sa postpartum,
Yeah.
hindi ko siya na-experience kasi yun din yung ayaw niyang ma-experience ko. So,
Oh.
kahit na mentally pinrepare ko na yung sarili ko for puyat, pagod. Kasi
Mm-mm.
pag may newborn, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi niya ako pinagpupuyat. Siya talaga yung nagpupuyat. And also, breastfeeding. Ayan, sinuport niya talaga ako sa journey na yon. Kasi, well, bukod sa wala rin talaga, mahina yung milk supply ko nun eh.
But that's normal, 'di ba? Iba-ibang bodies.
Actually, oo. Pero sabi nila, kaya daw talaga padamihin. Pero sa akin,
Malunggay, 'di ba?
mga ganun, tsaka unli-latch. Parang ganun, i-latch mo siya sa'yo. Pero dahil nga maliit, konti yung supply ko nun, newborn siya. So, alam mo yun, irritable siyang mag-latch sa akin. Wala siyang nakukuhang enough milk. Kaya bumili na kami ng
Formula.
breast milk sa ibang mommy.
Really? I didn't know that's a thing.
Oo, pwede
Wow.
siya. Bumibili kami hanggang, I think 6 months siya.
Okay.
Nagbe-breast milk naman siya, pero sa ibang mommy nga lang. Kasi gusto pa rin namin siya mag-breast milk.
Wow, so other women na marami yung supply, they pack it and then you can buy it?
Yes,
Wow,
oo.
I had no idea kasi my
Totoo.
mom with my sister load and supply.
Oh,
And we didn't know that, well, again, 10 years ago na rin yun. But
Oo.
then, I didn't know that was a thing. How much is it though to buy? Is it mahal?
20 pesos per ounce.
Okay. Is
Yeah.
that mahal?
Di ko din alam. Pero sabi nila mahal daw.
Okay.
Kasi pag formula, parang 3,000, 2 weeks na ata eh.
Okay. But,
Yeah, I think so.
at least
Pero yung
it's-
iba kasi dinodonate. Pero yung sa amin kasi binibili namin. Shout out.
kasi syempre, di ba, as a business owner, you have to support, you have to pay.
Oo. Yeah.
Wow, okay. So, he really supported you through that journey. That's really nice of him.
Yeah, oo. Parang may mom guilt talaga na sabi ko nga sa kanya, paano hindi ako makapag-breastfeed kay Avior kasi wala talaga. And actually, mahirap talaga. Like, mentally bukod sa pagod, masakit siya sa una. So, bukod doon, so parehas kaming nai-stress nung nagsisimula pa lang ako mag-breastfeed kay Avior. Kasi ang sakit sa akin, tapos siya umiiyak kasi wala siyang makuhang enough
Oo.
milk.
So, pareho kayong
Pareho kaming
nagtatalo.
stress. Oo, umiiyak talaga kaming dalawa. So sabi niya, okay lang yan, kaya may formula, ano bang purpose ng ganun, 'di ba? So, yun, yung mom guilt, alam mo yun, sobrang supportive niya and yung mga puyat na yun, ayaw niya talaga na pupuyat ako kahit niready ko na yung sarili ko na magte-take turns talaga kami sa
Yeah.
puyatan kasi nga pag may newborn. So, siya talaga pag madaling araw hanggang morning. Kaya, actually, yun din sabi ko nga, maganda ba yun? Kasi sobrang daddy's girl niya. Oo, well, isa na yung hindi siya breastfeed sa akin, kaya din siguro. Pero, ayun, dahil nga rin siguro ganun nung newborn siya, sobrang malapit
Yeah.
nila sa isa't isa ngayon, sobrang daddy's girl niya.
That's a good problem to have naman. At least
Actually,
sobrang close.
Oo, yun na
You
din.
should try that trend, yung parang you both stand in front and then you make the baby come to you and
Ay,
then you
yeah.
like call them and then you don't
Actually.
know who the baby goes to first.
Oo.
You
Nung
should try that.
nung kaka 1-year-old niya lang, ginawa namin yun. So, sa akin siya lumalapit kasi ako yung mahal na mahal niya nun. Pero ngayon, yung daddy niya na naman, ganun pala yung mga baby, nagbabago-bago rin sila.
May mga face sila, may mga eras.
Yes, oo.
What does your boyfriend, fiancé pala do? What does he do?
Ayun, actually, ang dami nagtatanong niyan.
Mm-mm.
Nagko-comment na, anong work ni Darren? Umaasa ba siya sa'yo?
Ay,
Ganun,
grabe. Agad-agad.
Oo, kasi akala nila, ako kasi yung front ng ng brands, ng business namin. So, akala nila ako
Well, to
lang,
be fair, beauty brand naman kasi. So,
yeah, oo. Akala nila ako lang lahat. Pero, yeah, he works sa business din. He handles operation. Ako kasi, focus naman sa product development and marketing. Yun talaga yung forte ko eh. So, siya, more on sa tao, sa operations talaga, finance, ganun.
oh my gosh. It's the same with me and my boyfriend.
Talaga?
So, at my For Good Gang, I have an agency, right? And all of that.
Oo.
Ako, marketing, creatives, all of that side. So, I do like production design,
Yan, mga
styling,
ganyan.
yung mga influencer management. Okay. My boyfriend, wala talaga akong MS sa logistics.
Yeah,
Diba?
diba? Sakit sa ulo niyan.
Finance,
Oo.
the Excel sheets. Ayoko, please.
Oo.
Like, I get so bored. I know I have to do it, but then that's why we have our partners to do
Exactly.
it. I used to be super scared to ask for help kasi feeling ko, kaya ko naman, I can figure it out. But then I realized by dividing and conquering, it's better
Oo.
kasi mas maraming nagagawa and it's more
You
efficient,
really can't do
diba?
it alone eh.
Yeah.
Sobrang hirap kahit na, same, naboboard ako pag numbers na.
Diba? Parang
Hindi ko siya kayang gawin.
Hindi. Sorry, 'di ba? Mahina talaga ako doon.
Same.
But then that's what they're for, at least.
Oo, yeah.
Okay, so he helps you out with the business.
Yeah.
Do you guys ever fight? Because it's so hard na you're working together, tapos you have a baby pa,
Oo.
you live together. Do you guys live together and all that?
Oo, parang ever since
Okay.
no relationship namin,
Okay.
nag-live-in na kami agad.
So, paano yun pag nag-aaway kayo? May work pa, may baby pa, may lahat na.
Siya kasi hindi niya pinapatagal, ganun. Kilala niya na ako na ayoko rin ng ganun. Pero ang pinakamalalang away namin was 2022.
2 years ago.
Oh, 2 years ago. Pag fight kasi parang I really consider it yung pinakamalala. So 2 years ago pa yung pinakamalala. Although nag-aaway kami like recently, pero hindi ko na matandaan exactly kung bakit.
Kasi it's normal
Oo, parang petty things, small things lang naman. Kaya hindi ko na siya kino-consider na as in away. So yun yung pinakamalala, last 2022. Ayun. Yeah, of course, normal naman siya talaga. Pero
Oo, kasi I think that if you don't fight at all, it's weird. That means you're not talking about your problems.
Exactly,
Or parang
yeah.
kimikim-kim mo lang. And then, that's the time na 3 months later, maglalabas lahat ng galit.
oo.
It's worse for me. I prefer like little things. I'll say it na agad. I didn't like what you did now. Or like, parang,
Ganyan din ako. And ang gusto ko sa kanya, kapag ina-address ko agad sa kanya, like right after, parang natutuwa pa siya. Kasi sabi niya, mahal na mahal mo talaga ako. Ganun
Ay!
siya. Ayaw niya nung...
Ganda mo talaga.
Ibig sabihin, parang may pakidaw ako sa kanya.
Ay, wow.
Ganun. So, buti na lang din. Ganun siya mag-isip.
okay.
So, ayun. Ganun.
Okay, wow. Ang sweet.
Ewan ko sa kanya.
Oo. I feel like he's the golden retriever tapos ikaw yung black cat.
Medyo, oo.
Oo. They say those are the kinds of relationships that last the longest. Yung guy yung golden retriever kasi siya yung maghahabol tapos ikaw yung black cat so parang you're in your feminine energy.
Ay, yeah. Sabi nga rin nila sa ibang comment na nagtatagal nga daw pag mas mahal ka ng guy kaysa pag mas mahal mo yung guy kasi yun, sila din talaga magdadala ng relationship, sabi nila.
Yeah. Or
So,
they end
yeah.
up leading it kasi sino ba yung magpropose, diba sila? So, I think that's why. But do you have any tips for finding the right man sa mga single dyan or nag-hope for like the life that you have?
Oo. Actually, parang pag love advice, medyo hindi mo ako ma-realize sa mga ganyan. Feeling ko kasi wala akong enough traumatic experiences pag sa love. Feeling ko kasi yung mga nakapag-advise talaga is yung marami ng experience sa pagdaanan talaga sa love. Pero for me, siguro peace of mind.
Oo.
Pag nakukuha mo yun sa partner mo, peace of
Yeah.
mind. Yeah. Walang confusion.
No
sa-
mind games.
ganun. Kapag nakukuha mo yun sa kanya, nafe-feel mo.
That's a good thing.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Have you ever had a hoe phase ba? Ganun ka ba? Or
Hoe
were you
phase?
always lover girl?
Whole face. Pinangarap ko nga yun. Pinangarap ko magka-whole face. Tapos, naging kami. Wala na ulit. Wala na ulit. So, yun.
No, I
Pangalawang
feel like-
boyfriend ko kasi siya.
Ever.
Oo.
That's good though.
Oo.
You know, kasi parang marami ding nasa whole phase and then they're waiting on the perfect person. Baliktad So, I think...
So, after the first, jowa ko, parang, okay, whole face. Gusto ko
Oo.
naman ma-experience, mag-explore,
Oo.
gano'n. Tapos, naging kami.
Ah,
Tapos, may
that
anak
quick?
na kami ngayon.
Oh my gosh. Do you ever feel like you missed out on your roaring 20s? You know, a lot like me, for example, like I'm always partying, I'm still out. Do you ever feel like you missed out on that? Because I feel like some people might think the grass is always greener on the other side, diba? Like me, I want what you have now. Oh, I want to settle down na. I want a baby. I want this. But then, you naman, that you're in that phase, do you ever feel like, I wish I could still have fun or I missed out on that?
Feeling ko siguro nung college, sana sumali ako sa mas maraming org. Alam mo yon, mas marami akong nakilala. Kasi nung college kasi school bahay lang din talaga. So feeling ko doon nung stage na yon. Pero kasi ngayon na-experience ko na rin naman yon. Anytime naman we want, pwede din naman. Parang mas gusto ko yung chill pala. Kasi siya din kasi ganun eh. So feeling ko okay lang naman, carry lang.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy for you though that you have that life that you dreamed of, no? Did you always envision this for yourself? Parang naisip mo bang ganito yung mangyayari in your life?
Parang yes. Kaya natutuwa. Hindi ko naman alam before yung manifestation. Pero like, nung ngayon na parang uso na siya, basically, mas marami ng expose sa ganun. Parang totoo pala. Kasi parang ever since bata ako, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya gagawin. Pero like, na-envision ko na napaka-ambisyosa ko talaga nun.
Oo.
Bata pa lang, alam mo yun?
Kailangan eh.
Oo.
Kasi if you can't dream that for yourself, wala. If you can't envision it for yourself, how's it gonna happen?
Exactly. So, hindi ko alam na yun na pala yung manifestation na tinatawag. And yeah, ambisyosa na talaga. Bata pa lang. Alam mo
Tama.
yun. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano ko gagawin. Pero yeah.
And then it just all happened.
And buti na lang din, like, about beauty. Alam mo yun, yung ginagawa ko ngayon. What I do for a living. Kasi yun din talaga yung mga hilig ko. Gusto ko.
Andun talaga yung passion mo. A lot of people also think na as a young, successful woman, ang hirap maghanap ng man na hindi na emasculate. Some men, they want to make more than you or
Ay,
they want to be
oo.
more successful than you. But then, there are also men like yours, which is so nice to see na he's comfortable, that you're the star of the show. Like, ikaw yung bida, ikaw yung main character.
Yeah, actually, hindi ko nga alam na may ganun pala. Like, may mga napapanood ako sa social media na ganun kapag mas kumikita ng malaki yung girl, parang yung ego nila, alam mo yon, siya kasi hindi siya ganun. Kaya sabi ko, may ganun palang guy. Kasi, bakit? Kasi partner kayo eh. So, alam mo yun, sa kanya yes, hindi. And, yeah, nag-start kami na ganun. And talagang okay lang sa kanya. So, sobrang supportive niya. And actually, parang ginave up niya yung dreams niya to support mine. Ganun siya super
Wow.
ka-believer and ka-supportive sa akin. Kaya, ayun. Kaya, ang daming akala ng lahat na parang ako lang to lahat. Pero, if not for him, walang Polish. Hindi ko siguro nag-grow na ganun si Polish, si Bervon, and even Glam Hour today.
Because it's really a partnership eh. Yung
Oo,
sinasabi mo
totoo.
kanina na hindi mo kaya alone, that's something I only learned this year ah.
Talaga?
Kasi up until
Sobrang
last-
independent po rin kasi, no?
No, kasi parang iniisip ko na ayoko mag-hire, kaya ko yan. And then
okay.
na-realize ko, wow, I'm limiting myself kasi yung time ko, gipit. Right? Like,
true.
there's only so much I can do in a day. So, sana gumastos na ako to hire someone so that they can do that thing that I'm, delaying pa because I don't have the time to. Or
Oo.
even just asking help from, let's say, my boyfriend who now works with me also or
Oo.
like my team. Parang before, nahihiya talaga ako.
Pero before kayo, ano rin ang ginagawa niya?
He manages clubs.
Okay.
Yeah, so nightlife talaga. And nightlife ako. So the reason me and my boyfriend met was because I used to promote his clubs and then he used to manage it.
Okay.
So work setup talaga. And now, he left some of the nightlife. It's so different, I think, once you realize na, okay, it's okay to ask for help from others because that's where you're really gonna grow.
Yeah, true.
Wow. Okay. What's your thought though on 50-50 setup? What's your dynamic sa bahay or who does what?
50-50, if you're someone na yun yung standard mo, gusto mo, ayaw mo ng 50-50, gusto mo fully paid. Fully paid?
Ako yun eh.
Talaga?
Oo.
Okay. Kung ganun ka, edi okay lang yun kung may standard kang ganun. And okay lang din if okay lang sa'yo na mag-grow ka together, yung potential niya, alam mo yun. Kasi sa amin yun naman yung nag-work.
Yes.
Kasi nung early stage nung relationship namin, siya naman talaga lahat. Pero kasi, as someone na high maintenance, and mas naunang magkaroon ng stable job, aka may business noon, like si Polish. Pero hindi pa siya gano'n, like as in small business lang talaga.
Starting pa lang
si Polish, pero like sa amin dalawa, parang ako yung mas naunang maging stable, gano'n. Parang deep inside, alam ko na mas may afford pa ako eh. Pero for me, okay lang naman yun kasi yun nga, early stages nung dating namin, parang hindi naman red flag for me na broke siya. Kasi mas red flag, ang red flag sa akin is yung broke siya, tapos babaero na, tamad, walang vision sa buhay.
Yun eh. It's like if you're broke tapos wala ka pang goals or you're not working on
Yun
it.
yung hindi dapat pinagsistayan or tinotolerate. Pero siya kasi hindi. Like yung passion niya, yung goal niya sa life, vision niya, makikita mo talaga. And true enough, buti na lang din. Kasi if not for him, I mean, yeah, walang everything na kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa akin ngayon.
I think because you're in front of the cam, they think that you do all of the hard work,
Oo,
right? Which
totoo
is
naman.
true.
Oo.
But there's a lot behind the scenes that he does that they don't get to
Exactly.
see.
Hindi ko magagawa yun lahat nga if not for his support talaga.
Yeah. Iba-vlog mo ba yung nag-Excel sheets siya sa bahay? Diba? Parang
Exactly.
Hindi naman yun entertaining, I think, for
Oo.
people, right? Yung mga size na logistics, like coordinating with like customs or
Oo.
deliveries. It's not as, I guess,
I mean, naalala ko, I have kwento.
Oh,
So,
go.
ito hindi ko to na-reveal sa social media
go.
actually. May mga story time na ako, I think, paano nagsimula yung businesses. Pero ito hindi ko pa nakwento.
Okay.
Like, 2022, so bago pa lang din yung relationship namin. yung si Polish Pro, parang isa yun sa mga naging flagship product namin after the Polish Glue kasi dun talaga din nakilala
Yeah.
si Polish. So, kapag mag-release ka kasi ng bagong product, kailangan mong mamuhunan ulit.
Yes.
So, hindi ko
Na
alam
ang laki.
Na ang laki, exactly. So, hirap talaga. Kasi self-funded lang din ako.
You never had an investor?
Wala talaga.
Till now?
Yeah, till now.
Damn.
Kaya pero
Boss bitch.
may mga nag-reach out pero hindi ko na tinuloy. So siya yung mga siya talaga yung naunang mag-invest sa akin
Oh.
basically kasi yung last money niya 120,000 to be exact. Yun yung kasi lagi ako nag-run sa kanya na gusto ko talaga ng Polish Pro, gusto ko na siyang ma-release pero wala talagang fund, di talaga enough. Sinugal niya sa akin.
Wow.
Parang last money niya pa yon for US kasi yun talaga yung pangarap niya eh.
To go to the States?
Oo,
To work?
dun siya mag-work.
For
Oo.
what? What kind of
Hotel.
career?
Oo,
Okay.
kasi yun talaga yung background namin. Yun yung
Both of you?
Oo, course namin.
Ah, okay.
Sobrang layo, 'di ba? Hindi na namin nagamit yun ngayon. So, ayun, pang US niya dapat and yun talaga yung pangarap niya rin. Pero yun nga,
He really envisioned...
he had to give up his dream to support mine.
That's so romantic. Oh, I'm so kilig, I'm really so kilig.
Totoo.
Because I don't think that a lot of men are able to do that or are able to envision the potential in their partners. Yeah, it's really sweet that he was able to give up his dreams for you, but in the same way, you gave him a baby though.
Yeah.
Diba? I mean,
Ay,
you
pangarap
literally...
niya yun.
Diba? So yes, okay. I mean, fair lang. The pain that you went through unmedicated, okay na yung, wala pa yung 120k dyan, girl.
Oo.
Like, 120k, baby,
Oo.
Lottie Boo, parang fair lang naman.
And buti na lang din nag-workout. Kasi
Oo.
what if nag-fail pala yung business, hindi namin napalaki. Parang ako na rin kasi yung nag-convince sa kanya na what if, well, na-deny din naman talaga yung visa niya noon. Kasi pandemic times din. So,
It was
sobrang,
hard.
mahirap ma-approve sa visa noon that time. Pero pwede naman siya mag-reapply sana. Pero sabi ko nga sa kanya na what if may foundation naman kahit papano, i-grow na lang natin, i-sustain na lang natin. Kasi mahirap na LDR, 'di ba? And buti na lang din nag-work. Kasi what if hindi? 'Di ba sinayang niya yung 2 years to be with me na
Yes.
give up niya yung dreams niya nga yung American dream niya for me. Ayun.
Okay, it's okay though because you gave him the greatest gift ever.
Yeah.
Nothing can top giving
True.
your man a baby.
Dapat lang.
Oo. I'm so interested though in your dynamic because it's very rare to see. I think a lot of people that watch my podcast, they're like, oh, I'm still single, I'm hooking up with this guy. Parang ang dami talagang nagsastruggle. So what you have is rare. Really?
Talaga?
Yeah. Kasi kung nasa-shock ka, pero rare talaga siya.
Talaga?
Yeah, alam mo ba yung mga stories dito sa podcast? Yung mga, oh, I hooked up with my cousin and his brother. Ganon.
Ganyan level.
Yeah.
So, yun yung mga na-miss ko.
Oo.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. So, I think you're good. Okay, so on career, how did Paulash start? Why did you want to get into lashes to begin with?
Okay. Side hustle ko nung college, mag-makeup sa client. Kasi, yun, as a madiskarte girl, provided naman lahat. Like, pero for needs lang. Pero as a maluho nga. So, hindi ko talaga ma-afford if
High maintenance talaga
High
eh.
maintenance nga talaga. So, kailangan ko ng ways to afford that. And yun yung side hustle ko before, mag-makeup. And parang gusto ko din talaga mag-business nun before even graduating. Gusto ko mag-execute ng something kasi parang wala parang too late na if after graduation or pag nagka-work na ako. At least ma-try ko if kaya ba, ganun, mag-work ba siya. So, bakit lashes? Well, actually, makeup talaga yung gusto ko. Pero hindi ko kasi kaya din, walang resources din to, formulate makeup. Hindi ko
It's so
alam.
expensive,
Oh, and hindi ko din alam kung paano gawin So, sabi ko, parang lashes lang yung pwede na, hindi kailangan i-formulate, ganun. And, may eye kasi ako kung ano yung maganda sa hindi. Parang yun lang din talaga yung naging puhunan ko. So, doon nag-start si Paulash. So, after college, as a makeup artist. So, tinry ko lang. And actually, nag-work pa ako after that. Kasi, after 2 months ng launch ni Polish, wala nang bumili.
What
Hindi
did you
pala
launch
ganun.
ba? Glue pa lang?
Hindi, lashes.
Agad?
Lashes,
Okay.
4 styles lang yun noon. Tapos wala nang bumili after 2 months. So, nag-work ako. Pero hindi ko rin na-sustain. Like, after a month, hindi ko na pinasukan yung first day ko sa work. Kasi, sabi ko nga, hindi, sa una lang yan. Matututunan ko rin mahalin yung work. Ganun. Hindi talaga. Parang dinadrag ako sa
It's
work.
not for you.
Yeah, oo.
What job did you do ba?
gusto ko maging flight attendant.
Wow.
Oo, yun sabi ko, parang hotel, ayoko rin sa hotel. Mag-flight attendant na lang ako.
Mm-mm.
Hindi rin ako makapasa. Kasi yung height siguro. Kasi kailangan matangkad, di ba? Pero
Okay.
ngayon pag nagtra-travel ako, ewan ko, hindi naman sila ganun nakatatangkad. Or nag-iba na lang siguro yung standard noon.
Maybe.
2019 pa kasi yun eh. Or
Okay.
2020. So, hindi talaga for flight attendant. So, nag-ground attendant.
Mhm.
So, sa NAIA. So, yun yung in-applyan ko noon.
Yung mga nag-check ng
Oo,
bag
yung
and all that.
check-in talaga. So, yun, nag-training for a month. Walang sahod.
Huh? Really?
Oo, pag-training pala wala. Tapos like
Oh my
uniform and all.
Kahit allowance?
Wala. Meron ba? Wala talaga.
Oh my God.
Oo, so...
So, lugi ka pa, technically. Kasi
Lugi.
parang you're paying to go there, you're gonna get ready, and
Oo,
all
tapos
that.
ang layo from Imus to Pasay.
Oo.
Sobrang hirap mag-commute. So yun, first day, hindi ko na siya pinasukan. Parang sabi ko, it's now or never. Papasukan mo pa ba or what? Yun din siguro, parang malakas din yung loob ko. Alam mo yun, medyo carefree yung mindset ko na ano. Tapos yun, binalikan ko si Polash. Tapos, ayun.
And then, what did you do? How did you, revamp Polash para magka-sales
Oo.
ulit?
Ayun, may nag-reach out na isang influencer pa yung tawag noon or content creator. Hindi ko rin alam na may such thing as PR.
Okay.
Sabi niya, nag-reach out siya na, hi, ganyan, can you send me product in exchange? Parang ipopromote niya or gagawa niya ng picture or video. Hindi ko alam na may
Content,
content.
siya.
Basically, hindi ko pa alam tawag yung ganun. Okay. So, pinadalhan ko nga siya. Pinost niya naman. Tapos, doon ako nagkaroon ng idea. Tapos, if you know Miss Tony Fowler,
Yes.
oo, so yun yung start ng YouTube days niya eh. So nagva-vlog siya. Tapos may napanood ako isang vlog niya na naglalashes siya from Divisoria niya pa binibili. Sabi ko, okay. Siguro sa mga niya before, mga shows niya, ganun. Tapos tinry ko lang na i-message or email ba? I-message lang sa Instagram. Napaka-informal ko pa nun. Ang dami kong emojis kung mag-message.
Kasi you didn't know it. It's still
Yeah,
baby
hindi ko
pa.
talaga alam. Diyos ko, ako lang lahat gumagawa. So, minessage
Ikaw yung
ko siya.
one-woman team.
Exactly. Mga 2 years yun na ganun. Ako lahat. Minessage ko siya. Nag-reply naman siya. Tapos pinadalhan ko nga siya ng lahat ng styles. Lahat. Tapos mga after a month, wala. Okay, baka hindi niya nagustuhan. Ganun. Tapos one day, nagulat na lang, sobrang daming messages, sobrang daming follows. Tapos, daw yung lashes na nasuot ni Mami Oni, ni Mami Tony Fowler nga. Tapos yun, okay. Tapos, tiningnan ko yung, yung video niya, and, ayun, pinromote niya. So, doon nag-start din talaga makilala, kaya thanks to Miss Tony Fowler. Kasi kung di rin dahil sa kanya, oo.
I love her,
Sobrang supportive niya rin talaga nun kay Polash.
And that's how it took a turn. And then you got the investment from your boyfriend. And then it helped
Yeah,
grow.
oo, yung Polash Pro din talaga. Nasinugal niya yung last money niya sa idea ko na Polash Pro. Ayun. Tapos, 2022 Bourbon. And
The
dun din,
jewelry.
the
Yeah.
jewelry. Doon din kami parang nag-consider na baby. Kasi gusto niya na talaga. Tapos yun yung time na ang dami naming puppies sa bahay.
How many na ba?
3. May isa kaming golden. Ay, 4 na pala. Tapos 3 Shih Tzu.
Ang dami yung
Yeah, ang
dogs.
dami. Oo. Tapos sobrang dog lover niya. Siya rin talaga yung sa akin na mahilig sa dogs, sa pets, ganun. Sobrang maalaga. Tapos parang ang saya-saya. Alam mo yan, na may puppies ka, may pets ka. Tapos what if, parang iniisip namin na, what if totoong anak na talaga to? Like, tao na siya. Alam mo yung pag-aaralin mo. Parang gusto namin silang pag-aralin sa school. No? Pero kasi naman mga dogs, wala namang ganon. So parang, ang saya-saya ba na magkaroon ng anak? Tapos yun, nandun yung, after launch ni Bourbon, birthday ko din kasi noon, August 19, after niyan sabi niya, sige, mag-anak na tayo, ganyan-ganyan. So, tinatry lang din namin, pero hindi rin pala agad-agad nabubuo yun. Tapos yun, kapag, pag nabuo siya, masaya kami. Pag hindi, okay lang din. And biniyayaan naman.
Wow.
Yeah, yun yung Tapos yun, 2023, ay hindi, wala. Walang 2024 na kasi si Glam Hour eh. 2023, buong taon lang akong buntis.
No, because it takes a lot of your body, your
Exact,
mental
sobra.
health, everything. So, it's okay. You built a baby.
Exactly. Yun na yung launch pala.
Si
Si
Lottie.
Lottie.
Siya na yung grand
Oo,
launch of
2023. Yeah. Yun yung pinagkaabalahan ko. Buntis lang ako noon. Nagpahinga talaga. Wala ka talagang magagawa. Tapos 2024, ayan, Glam Hour. Bounce back na ulit.
Wait, what happened with Glam Hour? Parang there's something with the launch I saw online.
Ay, oh my God.
Parang,
Na-late kami.
yeah, what happened there?
Ayun, na-late kami ng ng release. Akala nila marketing strategy na naman kasi nagawa na namin kay Polash.
Okay.
Like yung hack thing, ganon. Sobrang
what
nag-ingay
hack
din
thing?
nun.
Sa mga hindi
Sa
aware.
Airlash.
Okay.
Parang yun yung launch ni Airlash nahack kami. Tapos akala nila totoo talaga.
Okay.
Oo, kaya nung na-late kami ng launch
Ng Glam Hour.
Kay Glam Hour, akala nila marketing strategy din, pero hindi talaga. Like,
Uy, ang smart though, if ever.
exactly. Ewan ko na rin, siguro destiny na rin talaga na mangyari yun. Daming problem sa videos noon na parang hindi na-achieve kasi yung pinaka-gusto namin. So,
Na mangyari.
na mangyari. So, we had to, revise. Basta ang daming same day edits na nangyari. As in like, launch na mamaya, nag-edit pa yung team, ganong levels. Kaya yung originally 8 p.m. naging 11 p.m. Oh my gosh.
It happens though. And again, like
Oh
a
my
lot of
gosh.
your businesses or like a lot of local businesses are startups, right? Small team. We don't
Oo.
have like 50 people working on this one thing. Tayo-tayo lang din lahat eh.
Exactly.
I'm sure a lot of people don't see how hands-on you are sa company mo and sa team mo. So, I'm sure you were shocked at how late or how it just didn't happen the way you want to. But at the
Oo.
same time, more people are talking about it, diba?
Yeah, actually, parang blessing in disguise na rin.
Mm-mm.
And then, daming nag-abang. So, yun.
It's still good.
Yeah.
From Polash before, what was like your initial puhunan? Like, ikaw lang?
Talaga? Yung pinaka-first
yung
capital?
pinaka-first. Yeah.
5K.
Damn. And
Yeah.
now you've grown it into, what, 4 brands, no?
3 pa lang.
brands.
Pero, yeah, may clothing brand din
Ayun.
na pinaplan.
May baby brand ka na ba?
May BB brand. Yeah, nung nakaraan lang.
Oo.
Pero ano kasi yun, partnership.
Ah, okay.
Partnership siya, pero hindi na rin eh. Kasi parang hindi rin talaga ako motherly. Alam mo yun?
You're a mom, but you're not motherly.
Parang ganun. Parang hindi rin siguro nag-resonate sa kanila. And hindi ko niche. Parang sa beauty and lifestyle din talaga.
Gets.
Alam mo yun, baka hindi rin sila naniniwala. Kaya hindi nag-translate into sales yung yung baby brand. Kaya ayun.
You have so much going on for you though. Like, I saw you have so many bashers at the same time. Parang daming nagbabash sa'yo. And
Talaga?
hindi ko siya gets. Yeah. Do you ever read the comments or how do you feel about it when people talk bad about you or your businesses or your
Oo.
products?
Nababasa ko and I let myself feel frustrated, disappointed. Pero kasi nakakalimutan ko rin agad kasi na-outweigh nung positive comments. So like ngayon pag iniisip ko, mga hate comments. Wala din ako specifically matandaan kung ano ba yung sinabi niya. Kasi nakalimutan ko na rin talaga. Parang isipin mo siya for, 5 minutes? Ganun ba naman to? Ganyan. Mapafrustrate ka talaga. Tapos mapapairap ka na lang talaga ng ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero yun, nakakalimutan ko rin agad kasi na-outweigh talaga ng positive comments. Kaya sobrang thankful sa mga followers na sobrang supportive din.
I know.
Sila na yung makikipag-away for you.
Yeah, and they really like go to war in the comments just for you, which is so sweet.
Yeah.
I was also talking with Angel Day a few weeks ago.
Ah,
a few
nakita
months
ko
ago.
nga.
We were talking about how hard it is in Manila to start a business because everyone always asks for your suppliers, saan gawa. And then
Oo.
when we don't share, kami pa yung swapang.
Oo.
Ganon. I'm sure you experienced that in your businesses. Like people are always asking.
Oo.
How do you deal with that naman when people ask you?
Ngayon parang wala na or baka hindi na lang ako kasi yung CSR nagsasagot sa
oo.
mga clients. Pero nung starting, like ako pa rin nagme-message. May mga nagtatanong like saan gawa, saan galing, ganun. And sinasabi ko na lang na confidential kasi
Tama.
pero may iba kasi talaga na hindi alam yun, parang common decency na wag itanong. Kasi asset mo yun sa company.
Oh, parang pinaghirapan ko to
Oo. Feeling ko hindi lang din sila mature enough to
Understand that.
Exactly.
Have you been to Cosmoprof? I was just,
Oo.
grabe, ang daming tao. Like,
This year.
Miss Colorette was there. I think Miss Jonah, I'm seeing her later. She went to Cosmoprof.
Oo.
Oh my gosh, napagod ako.
Ay, pumunta ka rin?
I was there. Hindi lang ako
Oh.
nag-post. Pero, kasi napagod talaga ako. Na-overwhelm ako.
Ikaw lang mag-isa?
My boyfriend also.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Actually, dapat pupunta rin kami. Kaso, kinancel na namin dahil sa 11/11. Pero last minute na rin kasi, like, may isang supplier kami na tinanong. Kasi hindi rin ako updated. So, sobrang busy na rin na pupunta ba kayo sa Hong Kong this year, ganun. Sabi ko, ay, meron ba? Sige, punta kami. Tapos, ayun. Pero hindi na natuloy dahil sa 11/11. Kasi may
Yeah.
live selling ako. Diyos ko naman.
Sabay-sabay lahat. This Cosmoprof plus that
Yun nga.
That's why I was telling people, so if you guys just want a supplier, maghanap kayo on your own.
Sobrang
Google,
exhausting.
yeah, you can just Google finding a supplier.
Oo.
But yeah, I did
Sobrang
go this
hirap,
year.
no? Maghanap ng
Yeah.
supply. Akala nila ganun-ganun lang.
Kasi even when you go to like those big beauty conventions, there's like 5 floors. Tapos every floor, isang category lang yon, and then isa-isahin mo yung booths. You talk to
Exactly.
them, and then a lot of them, they don't speak our language pa. Diba? So parang,
Exactly.
oh my gosh, it's
And
so
hindi lang siya, I like your product.
No.
Get ko na yan, ibebenta ko.
No.
As in like months, years of, negotiating.
Back and forth.
Exactly. Samples pa, kaya
Like,
sobrang hirap.
Just for me to meet my supplier alone, my flight, the entrance fee,
Oo.
diba? If you're not on the list, and then all of those
Ay,
things,
oo.
diba? You have to pay for that. So let's say, wala ka pa ngang supplier, yung puhunan ko just to find the supplier was like 30, 40K, diba?
Grabe.
So when people just ask me for, oh, who's your supplier? And then I know that I went all the way there to another country, naghanap pa ako. Feeling ko hindi lang sila aware of how it works behind the scenes. Kaya
Oo.
ang bilis nila mag-bash.
Actually, minsan nga rin nakakasama ng loob. Alam mo yung mga Filipinos, like, sobrang harsh nila sa mga local brands na kung sa ibang brands like international, hindi din naman nila masabing gano'n.
Oo.
So, why?
Or parang the expectations on us for local brands
Sobrang
are so much higher. Tapos pag international, hindi kasi ano naman yan. Parang dinedefend pa nila.
Siguro kasi humanized. I mean, yung
Oo.
brands, di ba? May face yung brand, tapos talagang
Mabilis.
nasa social media, oo.
To just choose someone and hate on them directly,
exactly,
no?
oo.
What's it like balancing your career, wifey, mommy?
Mm.
Pagod ka na. Parang fresh na fresh ka today. When you walked in, everyone was like, wow, ang fresh niya. ah." Like,
Makeup
ganda-
lang.
Ganda ng makeup mo.
Career and as a wifey,
Mm-mm.
as a partner, parang hindi naman ako masyadong nagsistruggle kasi
Your
yung
mans,
yung
oo.
banding namin, yun na rin, work na rin talaga
Oo.
eh. So parang wala namang nako-compromise or nasa-sacrifice na wala na kaming time sa isa't isa. Kasi we work together nga sa our own businesses. So, ayun, siguro ang nagsa-struggle kami most of the time talaga is yung as parents. Kasi ganito nga yung work namin, yung responsibility sobrang laki. Yung time, alam mo yun kay Avior. Pero of course, we make sure na we spend time with her talaga. Lalo na sa umaga, in the morning, yun yung favorite time of the day namin. Kasi doon kami nagka-cuddle, sobrang jolly niya, sobrang good mood niya.
Kasi
Yun yung
hindi pa
favorite namin.
nagsa-start yung mga meetings.
Yeah, oo, yun, di pa nag-start yung meetings, ganun.
Okay.
Kaya kapag may days na wala siya sa mood, ayan.
Chilote.
So, wala na rin kami sa mood. Kasi hindi kami nakapag-cuddle that day.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oo.
What's something I think people don't know then about running a business?
Siguro, yung you are your own boss na sinasabi
Oo.
nila. Actually, I don't consider myself that way. Pero, yun nga, yung you are your own boss, siya eh, may times kasi na hindi mo rin alam yung ginagawa mo or yung gagawin mo. So, minsan parang gusto mo ng direction from someone na, ito yung gawin mo. Pero dahil nga ikaw yung nagli-lead, ikaw yung owner ng business mo, you are your own boss. So, wala. Parang nasa'yo talaga lahat. And, yeah, may times na hindi mo na rin alam yung gagawin mo. And ang hirap nun kapag, alam mo yun, wala kang makonsult. Lalo na for me na wala rin akong mentor talaga eh. Experiences, yun talaga yung best teacher for me. So, yun.
Yeah, I super agree with that because I also think that people don't know the pressure of what it's like to feed 20 people, let's say in your team. I have 20
Ay, sa
staff.
totoo yan.
Yung parang ako, iniisip ko na, oh my gosh, kailangan mag-grow yung business namin, kailangan mag-grow ako kasi ang daming umaasa sa akin, ang daming tumitingin sa akin for leadership, for money, for this, for that. And then, if hindi ako mag-thrive, if hindi ako mag-grow, kawawa sila.
Hindi na lang personal growth mo yung kinukonsider mo.
But
Sila
lahat
din.
sila.
Exactly. Even yung mga anak nila. Yun. Nakaka-pressure actually. And ngayon, parang
Lalo na pag nagiging close mo yung mga staff mo, diba?
Ay,
Parang
oo.
naisip mo, oh my gosh, yung babies nila, paano na yan? Parang, oh my God.
Totoo, paano sila mag-grow dito. Sobrang nakaka-pressure. So, yun yung isa sa mga mahirap in running a business na hindi alam ng karamihan. Para kasing ang ganda lang tingnan eh. Wow, dami mong pera. Wow, ganto ganyan. Pero, ayun.
The personal pressure is so high din eh. Because I came from working in a day job. I had so many day jobs before. Nag-publishing ako. I worked in
Talaga?
Sunny's. Yeah. When
Dami
I was-
mong experiences. Parang same lang naman tayo ng age. Pero bakit ang dami mong experiences?
No, kasi I was trying to figure out pa anong gusto ko. So, ang dami kong pinasukan ng mga day jobs. Kasi hindi pa ako sure.
Anong mo? College course?
I did com and management. It's
Okay.
IS. Anyway, parang mixed course siya.
Oo.
Where you choose 2 tracks. So yun, parang dami kong pinasukan na day jobs. And then, now na I'm a business owner or I have my own time, hawak ko yung oras ko, iniisip ko na, wow, miss ko yung sinasabihan lang ako what to do. And then, 9 to 5 clock out. I'm done, bitches. Because, di ba?
Yun talaga.
I clocked out. Nobody can bother me. Because now, okay, I traded my 9 to 5 to work, 24/7 naman.
Totoo yan. Minsan nga parang, wow, sila parang every week sila may off, ganyan, weekends. Ako parang twice a month.
Oo.
Kaya minsan yung employees namin nakakapag-samgyup sila, nakakapag-movie sila. Kaming heads, yung executives, hindi namin magawa yun. Like, why? Bakit gano'n? Hindi man lang kami makapag-dinner. Alam mo yun, ang walang work talaga. As in, like,
I'm looking at
good
my
time.
phone. I'm distracted. I can't give my full
kahit pag
attention.
nagta-travel kami, parang sa social media, wow, bakasyon ganun, pero oh my gosh, nag-aaway kami madalas kasi phone ka na naman, ikaw din, ganyan. Parang work pa din. So,
It really happens. It got to a point this year actually was my best year in sales. I would say like
Really?
financially.
Congrats!
Thank you. But my most sick year.
oh my God.
Like every month may sakit ako. Kasi yun nga, walang rest. Walang preno talaga. Go lang ng go. So I think that yun nga, while people see na, oh, ang saya, travel, they can afford this. Grabe din yung pagod that you go
totoo
through,
yan.
no? Wala na for you had a baby and then, were you working while you were pregnant? I saw you TikToking pa nga while you were pregnant and all,
pa
diba?
rin. Nag-work pa rin. Yun na lang yung list na magagawa ko eh.
Grabe
like,
ka.
mag-document.
Grabe
Alam
ka
mo yun?
talaga.
Oo.
Hustler ka. You're a Leo, diba?
Oo,
Are you
Leo.
I'm a Leo also.
Talaga? Kailan birthday mo?
August 20.
Ay, magkasunod.
Yeah.
19 ako.
Oh my gosh, no wonder. That makes so much
Yeah.
sense why you're like that.
Oo.
Are you an only child or ano ka?
Hindi. Panganay, tas
Okay.
3 kami.
Ayun.
Ikaw?
Eldest daughter din ako.
Tas dalawa lang kayo, di ba?
Dalawa lang kami.
Kamukha ni Maris yung sister mo.
Yeah.
Sobrang cute.
People say, but I swear it's the eldest daughter syndrome.
Oo.
Pag panganay ka, you really learn how to hustle.
Totoo yan.
Tapos pag ano ka pa, ambisyosa, like me,
Oo.
like high maintenance, you have to talaga kasi you can't let people talk shit about you.
True.
'Di ba? Kasi paano naman yun, ambisyosa ako na I'm high maintenance but then everyone will say like, ay, hindi naman niya afford. No,
Oo.
I'm gonna work, bitch.
Oo.
Does Polash or like any of your brands, do you have paid KOLs or do you just do seeding?
Yeah, hindi talaga. Hindi kami madalas, bukod sa mahal na talaga magbayad ngayon sa content creators.
Oo.
Like me, for example, sa ibang brands, tumatanggap ako ng mga
Good
ganong projects, ganon.
Wait, we were both late sa Skintific. Do you remember that whole
Yeah,
thing?
oh my gosh.
I was going through that whole thing. I was in Australia when everything was happening and then kinakabahan ako and then syempre search ko Skintific issue kasi hinahanap ko yung mga ibang influencer na
Oo.
kasi chat sana kita na, oh my God, mababayaran pa ba ako? Like I was really nervous. Ikaw
Oo.
din yun, diba? You went through that.
Oo. Yeah. Pero nag-reach out naman sila.
Oo, okay na.
Ano naman sila, nag-explain sila ng side nila na ganito nga nangyari, ganito, ganyan. Pero that time kasi, nung nakapag-post na ako ng video, sorry sa Skintific, walang nag-reach out.
Yun nga, and parang dumating pa sa point na for me, tayo pa yung magvi-video para may mag-reach out. and then-
Exactly. So, inisip ko din, if yung iba kaya nabayaran, kahit hindi sila
Yeah.
nag-address, online.
Publicly.
Publicly. So, ayun.
Pero yun, so you take projects from other brands naman.
Oo. And sobrang, like, kung ako magbabayad ng ganong rate ko sa, hindi namin afford. Like, oh my gosh, kaya, PR talaga.
But I think you don't need to, honestly, because your products are good. So even me, diba, lagi akong nagpo-post Fleek, nakakailan nga ako.
Thanks, sis. Actually, alam ko, favorite mo yan si Flick.
Because I message Polash sometimes, like, can I grab Express of Fleek right now? Kasi nauubusan na ako. Because when I don't have lash extensions, I do kasi 2 months of lash extensions and then I take breaks. Like 3 months, 4 months,
okay.
para mag-rest. And when I take breaks, ayun, I always use Fleek. Pero now, I'm using all of the Air Lash. Yeah, it's so good.
Talaga?
So, I think okay lang din that you don't pay influencers because you don't need to. Okay ka na eh.
Buti nga na ganun. I mean, di ba? Kasi ang mahal din talaga magbayad ngayon. And so, organic talaga yung mga reviews, mga feedbacks na nare-receive namin. Kasi, ayun.
I only had one eyelash glue until Polash came, which was Nichido. Alam mo
talaga?
yun, yung parang 55 pesos. Maliit lang siya.
Yeah. Ako din yun yung gamit ko before, Polash.
Oo, budget lang, tas maganda. But then, nahirapan lang kayo sa packaging. Diba? Kasi it's like,
Sobrang liit.
sobrang liit, tapos ang hirap i-apply. But then when yours dropped, I was like, okay, ito na lang.
Oo.
And ever since then, that's all I used. Ever
Talaga?
since. Yeah. So I think you're good without it. But are there any products that you can tease in the future na are you gonna drop anything soon?
Ang dami request ng mascara
Oo nga
from
daw.
Polish. Kasi, pero sa totoo lang, ilang years na si Polish? 5 years. Hindi pa rin kami makapag-release ng mascara. Kasi, wala pa rin pumapasa talaga na sa standard ko.
Na gusto mo?
namin. Na gusto namin. Kaya, hopefully next year, mascara. Pero sa Glam Hour, maraming naka-line up na makeup products.
Okay.
Kasi, Polish is very niche, like lashes, alam mo yun. Nahaluan na nga lang, like may blade ka, may beauty blade. Pero, di ba, kung lashes lang talaga, medyo limited yung product
line,
option.
yung
Yeah,
SKUs
oo.
mo.
So, sa Glam Hour, yeah,
Ay,
marami.
Mag-launch ka ng serum na lang, lash
Talaga?
serum.
Oo.
I use lash serums all the time eh. Lash and brow
Oo.
serums.
Okay,
Yan,
kaya
pwede.
pala.
Oo,
Ang
I
healthy and ano.
Thick pa rin.
Ano yung ginagamit mo?
This lang on Shopee. I'll link it.
Talaga?
Send it to you.
Effective?
Oh, and it's cheap lang. It's like 180 pesos, something like that.
Talaga?
But it's parang brush lang. You should do that.
Actually,
maybe.
sige.
Pero lashes pa rin.
Oo. Pero try mo yung cluster lashes.
Yeah.
Para kung gusto mo ng 5 days, 3 days, ganun, na
Okay.
lashes. Di ka na magtatanggal ng ano.
Okay,
Ng
sige.
eyelash.
Okay, we'll answer advice or questions from fans naman now.
Sige.
First is, my mother-in-law doesn't like me. Any tips to have a better relationship?
Oh my gosh, ang hirap niyan. Kasi kapag parents yung involved, alam mo yun, kung kayo lang sa relationship, parang kaya pang i-work out. Kahit ano man yung
Yeah.
issue, di ba? Kahit nga third party minsan, napapatawad mo pa.
Nagsistay pa eh.
Pero pag ayaw nung parents sa'yo, ay, hindi ko pa siya naranasan. Paano ba?
Kasi love ka eh. Love ka ng parents ni Darren.
Oo, yeah. Sobrang both, kasi side eh.
Happy.
Kaya, happy talaga. Kaya, paano ba? Siguro, hindi ko din alam. Anong i-advise ko sa kanya? Hindi siya gusto ng mother-in. Ikaw, what's your thoughts
I
on that?
think for me, sometimes it's a sign na there's something wrong
Oo.
with not you and the mother, but it could be with your boyfriend and the mom. So,
Ah.
kailangan kasi i-defend ka ng jowa mo eh. 'Di ba?
Okay,
Kasi parang
oo.
kailangan pagandahin ka in the eyes of your jowa or in the eyes of the mom.
Mm-mm.
Kasi sometimes, if it comes from you, baka parang mas ma-off pa yung mom na, oh, she's trying
True.
too hard or whatever.
Exactly.
Siyempre, always be a good person and always do your best, pero kailangan din manggaling sa jowa mo na, oh,
Oo.
she's actually really
And
good.
siguro kung hindi mo naman super love yung guy, wag mo nang i-tolerate. Like, for
Wag
the
mo
rest
nang
of your
i-force.
life, 'di ba? Makikisama ka sa ganun. Pero kung mahal mo naman yung guy, makisama ka.
Oo.
Kung hindi mo naman, well, sana hindi niya kasama. Like, 24/7 sa bahay. Yun, first step
Oo.
siguro is bumukod.
Yes.
Bumukod. Para hindi mo kasama 24/7 sa bahay. Kapag ganun na, so sa events na lang kayo magkikita, sometime, ganun. And for me, kaya naman i-tolerate. Siguro kung hindi ka talaga gusto, 'di ba? Anyway, yung anak niya naman yung karelasyon mo, hindi naman siya.
Oo, true. And if you live apart,
Oo.
they can't say shit. Diba?
True.
You guys, you lived apart na from your families.
Oo, yeah. Pero yung parents ko kasi, kasama ko sila. Kasi nung nagsettle sila from OFW kasi sila. So, yun. And also may anak na rin kasi kami. Iba pa rin kapag kapamilya mo yung tumitingin kay Avior, ganun.
Versus Yaya.
Oo. Dati hiwalay. Pero kasi pinabalik ko rin dahil nga si Avior. Gusto ko na lola't lola din talaga niya yung
I'm sure
titingin.
enjoy sila eh, diba? To have
Ayun
a
din,
baby.
gusto din kasi nila also.
Happy.
Mm-mm.
Okay, gusto ko mag-start ng business kaso di ko alam saan ako kukuha ng puhunan.
Yan din yung first struggle ko talaga. Kung resources lang, wala din ako niyan, even knowledge, ganun. Puhunan, siguro, gawin mong puhunan yung core gift mo. Alam mo kung ano yung skills mo as a person.
Kasi ikaw makeup artist, diba?
Oo, kasi ako makeup artist.
Skills eh.
Skills talaga eh.
Kasi nasa sayo na yun eh.
Oo, pagkakitaan mo siya and from there, ayun, kahit pa unti-unti siguro, and kung wala ka talagang, alam mo yun, like from your parents, assistance na matatanggap, rumakit ka.
Rocket
Dumiskarte ka
talaga.
talaga para magkaroon ka ng money. And from there, yun.
Huwag maging maluho yet.
Yes, oo. Muna, mag-reinvest mo muna sa sarili mo yung kikitain mo or sa business.
Save muna talaga. How about you? You're high maintenance, diba? What's your luho? Like, what do you like to spend on for yourself? Mabags ka ba?
Oo. Hindi ko pinapost kasi nga, sabi ko nga sa isang post ko, like itong Rolex nga,
Oo.
kasi birthday gift niya. Hindi ko ayokong i-post, pero kasi pinaghirapan niya eh.
Oo.
Pinaghirapan niyang ibigay to. So,
Kaya nga pag upo mo, sabi ko, oh wow, mother of pearl, jubilee date. Wow!
ay, alam. Ako hindi ko alam yung
Oo,
name
as
niya.
as a watch reseller kasi.
Oo, and kilala niya na ako. Alam niya yung taste ko. Kasi nung una, hindi niya alam eh. Like kapag nahihirapan siya sa akin magregalo. So, ayun, as for my luho, hindi ko dapat ipopost. And sabi ko nga rin na ayokong makilala nila ako sa ganun na material things. Although maluho talaga ako, pero ayoko yun yung i-instill sa
Online, oo.
followers ko. Kasi, ayun. Pero, yeah, bags, nung mga, actually, ngayon lang ako nagbibili ng kung ano-anong mamahaling bags. Ngayong taon lang, 2024.
Uy, deserve.
Thanks, sis. Pero, ngayon, parang medyo nawawala na nga yung luho ko dun sa mga bags. Parang paintings, ganun yung amats ko ngayon. Ngayong,
Art.
patapos nung ngayong taon.
Oo.
Yeah.
Home things, mga
Parang
home goods.
ganun, yeah, oo.
You know what I really want right now? Have you seen the Ninja Ice Creamy maker? Have you seen that
Hindi.
online? Oh my gosh, that's what I want to buy naman now sa bahay.
Ano yun?
Parang you can put anything,
Oo.
literally anything, parang frozen bananas, just leave it overnight, tapos i-blend mo siya. The next day, magiging ice cream siya, no matter what flavor. Kahit
Talaga?
Oreos and milk, yeah.
Magkano yun?
It's like 25K.
Oh,
Yeah.
Saan mabibili? Parang bet ko na rin tuloy.
Yeah. On Lazada, I think.
Talaga?
Meron. Yeah.
Check
Ninja
ko yan.
ice cream. Yun
Ninja
talaga
ice
yung mga
cream.
gusto ko right now. I'm not my bags right now.
Talaga?
But yun. Parang-
Pero, watches lang kasing,
That's what
nire-resell mo.
I'm reselling
Walang
that
bags.
now.
Konti
I
lang.
do just for like certain people lang, but I'm not like a buy and seller for bags. Like, meron mag-message na, oh, can you buy this Miu Miu bag? Can you get this Balenciaga? So I'll get it when I'm traveling. But watches talaga.
Watches
That's why when
talaga.
I saw, ang hirap niyan hanapin.
Totoo.
Yeah, so if ever,
Actually, sabi ko nga, nung binigay niya to, my gosh, magkano yan? Dapat binigay mo na sa akin pampuhunan. Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. Pero siguro soon, pag nagipit,
I know.
ibibenta ko sa'yo.
Okay, 11 years na kami ng jowa ko, pero hindi pa rin kami kasal. Ayoko rin i-pressure siya kasi sumisikap naman siya, but at the same time, ang tagal na namin.
Ang take ko naman dyan, feeling ko kasi, yung mga lalaki kasi, wala silang emotional intelligence. Lalo na kapag ang tagal nyo na, diba? Hinihintay mo yung proposal. Though mahal ka naman niya, alam mo, hindi lang ba talaga siya ready? Or hindi niya lang maisip na kailangan niyang gawin yun? Like, mag-propose formally sa girl. So, baka hindi niya lang alam na kailangan niyang gawin yun. May iba kasing ganun na matagal na hindi nagpo-propose. Though mahal naman niya si girl talaga and
Yeah.
ready naman siya.
Kasi nag-stay naman sila together.
Yeah, exactly. So, pero may mga guy din naman talaga na minsan sobrang tagal hindi siya nag-propose. Tapos, pag nag-break up, next jowa, parang 3
Ang
months pa
bilis.
lang, pakasal na, 'di ba? So, siya na rin talaga makaka-feel if talagang love ba talaga siya nung guy. And if yes naman, nafe-feel niyang ganun, baka i-ask niya siguro. Minsan, hindi lang talaga nila maisip yung mga ganung bagay.
I-communicate lang and just bring it up like, hey, by the way, ano na, like it's been so long na please lang naman. But
Oo.
I think communication talaga. And if you want to get married, there's no harm in, ang tagal niyo na, hindi mo ma-share yun, hindi mo ma-communicate,
Oo.
diba? It can be fixed as long as both are willing eh.
Oo, totoo yan.
Kasi what if in the end, he doesn't want to get married pala? Kasi diba, may mga ganun na, oh, they just want to stay together.
Exactly, oo nga eh.
Kailangan pag-usapan.
Yeah.
Okay. Fourth is, does size matter?
Yes. Yes for ikaw.
Yes. You know why? Kasi yung lagi kong sinasabi is, tibu ako before, diba?
Oo.
Pansexual ako now.
Oo.
If size didn't matter, edi bakit may toys? Diba? For lesbians.
true.
Then, girl, even lesbians still look for toys here and there.
Oo.
So, I think it's normal to say size matters. Kasi then those
Yeah.
things wouldn't exist.
Oo, yeah. Size matter, yeah.
Okay. My boyfriend wants to invest in my business pero di pa kami kasal and he has good intentions naman. Should I let him?
Hindi pa sila kasal. Boyfriend niya pa lang. For me, yes. For me, yes. Kasi sa amin, nag-work naman eh.
Yeah.
Nag-work siya, oo. So, for me, yes.
I think maybe if ever scared ka, maybe draft a contract or like
Ay, yeah. Yun din. Legally binded dapat kung gusto mo talaga. Kasi, yeah, totoo naman, nakakasira naman din talaga ng relationship yung business.
or
Like,
pera in general. Like
yeah,
it's so hard to
exactly.
fight over that.
hindi lang friends, even boyfriends, ganun. So, okay nang safe.
Better safe than sorry. Okay. Now we're gonna play a would you rather. So fast lang naman siya.
Okay.
You'll just choose. Okay. One is new brand or new baby.
Oh my gosh, hindi ka expect na Kasi actually, parang pinag-uusapan na namin ngayon
Oo.
kasi gusto ko na magpaganda, gusto ko na magpa-liposis, gusto ko na
go.
magpa-tummy tuck. Pero kasi kung gagawin mo yun, dapat final na. Kung
Oo. No revisions.
Oh, hindi ka na mag-aanak ulit kasi sayang naman kung mag-stretch siya ulit.
And then
So,
pagawa ulit.
hindi ko magawa. Ang magagawa ko lang talaga ngayon is yan, nose job, magpapayat. So, yung lipo and tummy tuck, hindi ko pa magawa dahil nga, ano ba, mag-aanak pa ba? Mag-aanak pa naman daw kami kasi kawawa naman si Javier kung walang kapatid. Pero brand, oo din eh. So, I would rather have, right now
Oo.
sige, brand.
Okay.
Yeah,
Tama.
brand.
Kasi eventually, you can always do the other things anyway. You can have a baby.
Yeah.
Wait, what have you had done na ba? Just nose?
Nose, lip
Okay.
filler,
Me also, yeah.
yeah, Botox,
Mm-mm.
yeah.
Mga injectables lang.
Oo. Nose job na yung pinaka,
I'm so scared pa eh. You know,
Ay,
I've been
talaga?
thinking about this for years.
Kakakita ko nga lang ng video mo.
Years.
Bakit ayaw mo?
I'm scared they'll fuck it up. Like, it'll be worse than when it started.
Ganyan din yung iniisip ko no, na parang,
Oh my gosh.
what if mas pumangit?
Oo. And then you have to pay to revise it pa, diba? Kasi
Oo.
no choice. Pero
Oo.
sige, pag-isipan ko. I'm in so many rhinoplasty Facebook groups ah.
Oo.
Ang dami kong parang watch ko talaga yung mga journeys nila.
Talaga?
Kasi parang I'm trying to prepare myself. Because, syempre, when you do the consultation, they tell you na, oh, even if yan yung peg mo, hindi yan mangyayari kasi it depends on your healing process. Iba-iba.
Pero sinong peg mo ba? May peg ka?
No, I don't have a specific peg. I want what's bagay on me.
I
Gets ba?
say, mula din akong peg.
Parang gusto ko lang, well, first, I want the alar area
Oo.
trimmed in, tas
Oo.
pa-out pa ng konti.
Oo.
Konti lang.
Same, ganun lang din. Sabi ko kay Doc, ayoko ng added height, any added height. Gusto ko lang definition. So, hindi siya naglagay ng bridge. Ano lang, talaga yung tip lang yung ginalaw. So, yun.
Okay, sige. I'll ask you nga later who your doctor is.
Sige.
I'll check. Next is, eat your pregnancy cravings for the rest of your life. Yun lang kakainan mo. Or,
Okay.
next time you get pregnant, you cannot have any of your cravings at all.
Oh my gosh. Masasarap yung ano ko eh, pregnancy cravings ko eh.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Hindi weird?
Oh, well, ginataang tokboki.
What's that? What's
Tao
that?
sila. Tokboki, ewan ko kung tama yung pronunciation ko ah. Pero yung ano, yung Korean ano.
Oh, the Korean one, with
Pero-
ginataan?
Yeah.
That is so insane.
Ginataang
Masarap ba
tokboki.
yan?
Masarap siya for me sa akin noon. Kasi parang naisip ko na yung palitaw. Kasi palitaw ba yun?
Yes.
O yung bilog siya. Basta bilog-bilog
Yeah.
na palitaw. Ano yun tawag doon? Parang bilo-bilo ata.
Yeah.
Tama, bilo-bilo. So sabi ko, parang magkalasa yung tokboki tsaka yung ano, ate, pwede ba nating ilagay sa ginataan? Pero alam mo yung ginataan?
Yeah, yeah.
Na like yung may mga kamote,
Yes.
banana, ganon. Yun, bagay naman siya. Ano ba mga
Sige, try ko
cravings yun?
mamaya.
Diba? Parang, yeah, ano na lang, for the rest of my life.
You'd rather-
Pregnancy cravings, yeah.
Wow.
Kasi hindi ko makain yung mga cravings ko sa
During?
next pregnancy. Sobrang nakakaiyak, sis. Akala ko nga arte lang nun eh, na ganito ba talaga ako ka-arte nung pregnant ako? Sabi ko gano'n. Pero nung like nawala, I mean nawala, nanganak na ako, nawala na rin talaga yung mga gano'n. So
Like
may
what
hormones
ba?
pala talaga. Na ang dami mong gusto sa buhay talaga pag pregnant ka. Tapos pag hindi siya nasunod, nakakaiyak talaga, ganong level.
What was your craziest pregnancy craving ba? Or yung mga hassle? May mga hassle ba?
Hey, backhoe. Doon din nila ako nakilala talaga.
What's
like, doon
that?
nag-boom yung... Backhoe, yung ano, yung excavator ba yung tawag doon? Yung pangbungkal ng lupa.
Yeah?
Oo. So,
Oh my God.
yun yung gusto ko no, nung parang 6 months pregnant. Tapos
So,
yung pinost ko yun, ewan ko, aliw na aliw naman sila.
Okay. If you had to close one and keep one, Paul Lash or Burvon?
Oh my gosh! Parang ano, yung mother brand na lang, si Polash. Kasi if not for Polash, wala rin si Burvon, wala rin si Glam Hour.
Okay.
Kaya feeling ko nga, alam mo yon, hindi siya ganun kadaling nag-scale. Kasi ang daming brands na sumunod na like yung kita ni Polash na pupunta sa bagong investment kay Burvon, and then after Polash and Burvon, may Glam
Next.
Hour. Na kung nag-focus lang sana si Polash on her own, alam mo yon.
Could be bigger.
Yeah, exactly.
But at the same time, lashes, I think there's also only so much you can do eh.
Oo, yun.
Parang kasi limited ka. It's just styles and kinds. But
yeah.
I think it's okay that you also expanded eh.
Yeah, true.
Oo. Okay. Degree or discarte?
Hot topic yan ngayon, no, sa TikTok.
Oo.
Kailangan mo siya both eh. Kasi kung may degree ka nga or diploma, kung wala ka ring diskarte, and for me ha, action-oriented kasi ako, yun din talaga yung yun din yung naging reason kung bakit ko siguro like naabot kung ano yung meron ako ngayon. Diskarte. So pares mo silang kailangan. Ikaw ba?
I think at the end of the day, I would say diskarte. 'Cause I
Diskarte,
did
no?
both Kasi I was studying while I was working. Parang 15 pa lang I was working na eh.
Oo.
I've been working for 11
Talaga?
years now. Yeah.
Bakit? I mean, parang di mo naman kailangan. Mayaman kayo, sis.
No, but then my mom kasi and my dad, they're
Oo.
not I don't
Mas
know.
spoiled, ganon?
Yeah,
Mas
they're-
nabigay lahat.
They're very Americanized. They're very Western.
Okay.
Parang it's normal for my dad. Growing up, he worked in a pizza shop abroad. So parang I think here in the Philippines, because I was raised here, in-apply pa rin yun sa akin. Na parang, okay, I
Nice.
won't give you for your luhos. I won't give you for anything. Like, they'll only get me things on
Sinong
Christmas
daddy?
and birthday.
Napapanood ko yan.
Oo, alam mo na.
Yung
Yeah.
recent.
Yeah.
So siya yung nagturo sa'yo ng ganon.
And it's my mom also, she grew up acting. Parang
Oo,
normal
gets.
in my household na.
Hustler talaga.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
And not to ask people for things, I guess. So, if it wasn't Christmas or birthday, wag akong mag-expect na bibilan ako ng something. So, ayun, 15 pa lang I started working. And so, yung degree ko, honestly, ginawa ko lang siya because kailangan. I know, syempre, it's 2024. A lot of people are very open nowadays. But, it's still very traditional in the sense na if you can get a degree, better.
Yeah.
If
Kung kung hindi ka survival mode, na like may pang-paaral naman,
Oo.
tapos mas pinili mo yung diskarte, yun siguro, yun yung hindi maganda. Pero kung survival mode ka and kailangan talagang, alam mo, kainin next
Yes.
day, diskarte ka na,
Yes.
sis.
I also think that, to be honest, for me, given my course, I didn't
Oo.
really learn from my course.
Exactly.
I learned from experience and
Kahit
trying
ako
things.
din, hindi rin naman to yung pinag-aralan ko, pero alam mo yun, kakadiskarte din. Na ano naman.
Nobody teaches you how to run a business in college. They tell you like how to balance accounting, how to do this, diba? Pero at the end of the day, nasa sayo yun eh. So, I don't know. Diskarte pa rin ako. Team diskarte.
Oo, team diskarte.
Okay, get back together with your ex or hook up with a random stranger.
Grabe, sobrang spicy lang mo
Isa lang naman ex mo, 'di ba? Hindi ka naman
Oo, isa lang.
Oo, isa lang.
Si ex na lang.
Si ex na lang para safe.
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi hindi naman siya like super bad. Wala naman
Oh.
siyang ginawang
Okay, so you don't hate your ex.
Yeah,
Aw.
not really.
Good breakup pa rin.
Oo, good breakup naman. So may ex na lang.
Last is manganak ulit or matanggalan ng ipin.
Ang sakit mga sis pala. Doon ko na-realize. Actually, may video ako dyan eh. Nagtatanong ako sa kanila na, ano ba talagang mas masakit manganak or masakit yung ngipin? Kasi nung before ako manganak, parang yun na yung pinaka-painful na naramdaman ko. Like, sakit ng ngipin. Ayoko talaga yun. Sobrang
Are
sakit.
you scared of dentists? Scared
Hindi
ka ba?
naman. Pero
Pero
like, pag
matanggalan.
sumasakit yung ngipin ko, ang sakit. So, sabi nila manganak daw. And yeah, true enough, manganak. So,
Fuck. Well, grabe ka kasi unmedicated. Wow, hindi ko yun kaya.
pero parang
You're better than me.
parang sinabi ko rin kasi sa sarili ko na sige, mag-unmedicated birth tayo. And pag nagawa ko to, parang sa buhay ko, wala akong hindi kakayanin. Pag nakaya kong manganak ng ganun, di ayun. Pero sa next, sa next pregnancy, baka mag-epidural na talaga ako. Sobrang sakit.
Wait, what was Darren saying at that time when you were doing water birth? Syempre, ang sakit, diba? Was he saying like, uy, mag-epidural ka na? Or like, do you want to change your mind? Or was he supportive?
Ay, hindi. Supportive siya
Okay.
naman. Kasi gusto niya rin mag-normal ako. Kasi mas mabilis nga yung recovery niya.
Yeah.
So yun, supportive naman siya and yun. Pero kapag kailangan daw, sabi niya naman kay Doc, pero yeah, parang siya ngayon na trauma actually eh. May time na ayaw niya na rin mag-anak kami kasi natatakot siya for me.
For
Kasi,
the pain that you went through, no?
oo, and alam mo yun kung ano pwedeng mangyari kasi yung iba nga namamatay
Yeah,
pa,
yeah.
di ba, pag nanganganak. So, dami talagang risk sa girl.
Pregnancy.
Oo.
Wait, did you give birth, your water birth, was it at home or in the hospital?
Sa hospital naman.
Okay.
Bawal actually eh. So, yung mga nakakapag-water birth at home,
Shady. Paano yun?
siguro,
Binayaran.
baka,
Check.
sabi ng doctor ko pero ayun, parang hindi siya allowed ng government. So, sa hospital pa rin. Kasi, what if emergency? Cesarean section. So,
Paano
pwede
yun?
anytime.
Yeah.
Oo. Kaya medyo risky kapag sa bahay kasi itatakbo mo pa. At least pag nasa hospital ka lang, nandun lang din. Operating room.
Okay. Wait, next baby, do you want a girl or boy?
Sana boy na.
Okay.
Para kota na. And
Okay.
after that, wala na. Maglalay po na talaga ako. And tummy tuck.
Dr. Bello, I'm on the way. Thank you so much for being here. That was so fun.
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank
Sandwich Bible.